We noticed that staff morale was a little bit low. After COVID, cost of living stuff started, and it was all just a little bit not great. And we thought, what can we do to support this in our remit? So the project was devised that we created a staff food pantry, so a cupboard that's filled on a monthly basis with food that staff can have either on shift, and then things they can take home with them, so pasta, dried food, just your standard stuff. And alongside that then we also put in the team buzz at the end of a team meeting. So we, as a team, think about what the team buzz of the month is, what's gone well in service, but also a positivity for staff members. So everybody's encouraged to a praise point for staff, and we then do a staff member of the month where they receive a £10 voucher for a local supermarket or something that they can then spend on whatever they want.
To be honest, at the end of the month, especially, I struggle a bit with money, so the little pantry there is fantastic. I know I can still feed my children and myself.
I think without this project, I'd be struggling a bit more. You know, I'd be a lot more stressed than what I am. The support I've received from the staff around this project is exceptional. You know, they're really part of the team. You know, and they make you feel welcome. They make you feel a part of the team. I've been here for a year, and it feels like I've been here for a lifetime in a good way. You know, I get along with all the staff, and they're constantly supporting you, no matter what you're doing and no matter what you're going through.